Well, there's the front of the house. Roof doesn't look too bad. The wind's been blowing out of the north most of the night, so it hasn't been piling up too much. But we got quite a considerable drift in front of the doors there. So, yeah, that'll be fun to clean up. It's pretty much solid all the way out to the street. Fortunately, our neighbor Chuck has been out snow blowing. You can see him over there. And we're digging out. This guy came out at about 7:30, 8 o'clock and decided he was going to go somewhere. That lasted about 5 minutes. Elizabeth's already been out shoveling. So I guess it's my turn.